In this video, we'll be crafting the perfect PC build specifically for that budget, allowing you to enjoy smooth gameplay without breaking the bank. The GPU that we are going with is the Asus Dual Radeon RX 6600 8GB GDDR6 RAM PCIe 4.0, available on Amazon. It is now prices at Rs 20,990. The CPU that we are going to pair with the GPU is the Intel Core i3-14100F processor, available at Mdcomputers. It is now priced as 10,975 rupees. Why I chose the Intel Core i3-14100F, while the i5-1200F is a solid choice, the i3-14100F, being part of the 14th generation, offers more power and performance for gaming. With its higher clock speeds and improved architecture, it's a better fit for our budget build. The PSU we are going to use is the Esports VS450L non-modular high-efficiency gaming power supply, available on Amazon. It is priced at Rs 1,726. The case is Esports Elite 1000 TG mid-tower computer case/gaming cabinet, black, available on Amazon. It is priced at Rs 2,365.00. The storage that is used in this build is Crucial P3 500GB PCIe 3.0 3D NAND NVMe M.2 SSD, available on Amazon. It is priced at 370.00. It is an NVMe drive, so it is super fast. The RAM we are going to use is the ADATA XPG GAMMIX D30 16GB, 16GB x1, DDR4 3200 MHz memory, available at Vedant Computers. It is priced at Rs 3,490.00. Therefore the total cost of the PC is Rs 50,319. The links of the parts are down in the description. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.